Good morning. I am Karan Sir, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering and NGO College. Today, I am discussing on power plant engineering. First of all, we discuss about course objectives of power plant engineering. First goal of power plant engineering is to create awareness about various sources of energy, working of thermal power plants and combustion process. Second CO is to understand how the diesel and gas power plants are functioning. Third CO is to understand how power is achieved from renewable energy resources and function of hydroelectric power plant. Fourth, you is able to learn about nuclear power plant, and fifth, you is to apply the concept of economics in power plants. Now, first of all, we discuss about what is power plant engineering. Power plant engineering is a specialized field with energy engineering that focus on the design, construction, operation, and maintenance of facilities that generate electric power. To generate electric power, we need different source of energy. The source of energy can be broadly categorized into two. First is renewable and non-renewable energy resources. The renewable energy resources is solar energy. Solar energy from the sun, capturing using solar panels. Second is wind energy. Energy from wind captured by wind turbines. Third is hydropower. Energy from floating water and often to generate by dam. Geothermal energy. Heat from earth interiors using heating electricity generation. Biomass, we get energy from organic matter like wood, crop that can be burned for energy. Last is tidal energy. Energy from ocean states captured using turbines. Now come to the non-renewable energy sources. The non-renewable energy sources is fossil energy, coal, oil, and natural gases formed from instant organic matters. And non-renewable energy resources also like nuclear energy, energy from nucleus of atom. We are using nuclear atoms in thermal nuclear power plants to generate electricity. These are the source of energy. Now we classify power plants. Power plant is classified into two categories. First is conventional, second is non-conventional. In conventional power plants, we use steam power plant, diesel power plant, hydraulic power plant, and nuclear power plant. Non-conventional power plants are solar power plants, wind power plant, tidal and wave and geothermal power plants. Design of power stations. First, to set up a power plant, we design a power station. To design a power station, we require the following steps. First is selection of sites. First of all, we select the site. Second is estimates of capacity of power station. Third, we select the turbines and their applications. Fourth, we select the boilers. Next is design of fuel handling systems. Next is selection of conveyors, design of cooling systems, design of piping system to carry steam and water, selection of electric generator, design and control of instrumentation, designs of layouts of power stations. These are the site for designing a power station. What are the basic principles of power plants? The basic principle of power plant is the power plants a fundamental principles involved to converting one form of energy into electrical energy. Most power plants use a heat source to generate steam, which then drive a turbine connecting to a electrical generator. Different types of power plants utilize various energy resources such as fossil fuel, nuclear fusion, renewable energy resources like wind and solar. The burning of fuels such as oil, coal, and LNG fire a boiler to generate high pressure steam. This steam is used to drive a turbine and a generator attached to the steam turbine to generate electricity. Now we take an example of thermal power plant. In thermal power plant, we are generating electricity by the use of coal, which is burned in boiler to generate steam. High pressure steam is rotate turbines and turbines produce